At the Plant and Soil Laboratory here at the University of Antwerp, we study the enormous diversity that lives in soil. What's going on in soil is to a large extent unknown to us. Maybe even more unknown than what's going on in space, which is very surprising. During my teenage years, going to school, I learned for the first time about complex biological systems and I got really fascinated by it. I went to study biology at the Verbruggen University in Nijmegen and I got especially fascinated by ecology, which I also decided to do as a master thesis. After my masters, I did a PhD at the Vrije Universiteit in Amsterdam. Then I did a postdoc in Germany, in Berlin, and after that I did another postdoc here at the University of Antwerp. My hobbies are listening to music, and I also play the guitar and the bass guitar. Apart from music, I really enjoy traveling. I really enjoy getting exposed to new cultures and seeing a lot of nature. Currently we are studying microbial communities in the tropical rainforests in French Guiana. Tropical rainforests are among the most important ecosystems worldwide in terms of carbon capture. Microbes contribute to both the carbon cycling in soil, as well as the extent to which plants can take up nutrients from soil. For this reason, we need to understand how these microbes respond to climate change as well. Recently, new techniques have allowed us to dig a little bit deeper into what's going on, using DNA of microbes as a tracer. In the lab, we gather samples from all around the world and subject them to analysis. This involves DNA isolation. This DNA we then sequence. By doing so, we can identify all the organisms that were in roots in soil and also some of the functions that they perform. My ultimate goal is to use the knowledge we acquire of soil microbial systems. For instance, this knowledge can help us better predict the responses of our world to climate change. Another aspect is that we can improve agriculture through making smarter use of the microbes that live in soil. We can make it more efficient, we can make it also more nutritional. However, there is still so much unknown about the workings of these systems. This is what I want to work on for the coming decades.